Hello everyone, this is the fourth problem on Kojiang Women 2021, Irrefutable Outcome. To summarize the problem, given a string of size from 2 up to 10 power 5 contains only I or O. Isabella and Olga are playing a game alternating turns. Isabella plays first. During Isabella's turn, she must remove a I from the leftmost or rightmost side of string. During Olga's turn, she must remove a O from leftmost or rightmost side of string. If at any point one of the players does not have a legal move, then this player loses the game. The other player gets 1 point plus the number of remaining pieces on the board. Both players play optimally, find out who wins and what is their score. Here are some examples for better understanding. The first example, Isabella has 2 valid moves. If she removes the rightmost I, leave Olga no valid moves. This is the optimal option for her. She is the winner. The score is 7 pieces left on the board plus 1. The second example, Isabella has no valid moves. Then Olga is the winner. The score is 6 pieces left on the board plus 1. The third example, Isabella has 2 valid moves. She can choose any side. Then they take turns. There's no pieces left in the end. There are odd numbers of pieces. The first player wins. The fourth example is similar to the third one. I and O are alternating. There are even numbers of pieces. The second player wins. The last example, Isabella has 1 valid move. She removes it. Then Olga has 2 valid moves. She chooses right side. Then 1 valid move for Isabella. Then Olga chooses right side again. No valid moves for Isabella anymore. So how do we solve this problem? The player chooses leftmost or rightmost pieces to remove on every turn. So there are 3 possibilities on every turn. Current player doesn't have a valid move. Then the game is over. Return the opponent and the score. Current player has 1 valid move. Eliminate the outmost pieces from that side. Continue the game. Current player has 2 valid moves. How does the player decide which side to choose? If all the pieces are alternating, I and O, one after another, then doesn't matter which side to choose. If there are II or OO pairs, then the corresponding player will lead the opponent to the pair side. If there are pairs on both sides, then choose the closer side. Here are some examples. Current player is Isabella. She has 2 valid moves. Which side will she choose? The right side. Current player is Olga. She has 2 valid moves. Which side will she choose? Left side, because the left pair is closer to the edge. Current player is Olga. She has 2 valid moves. Which side will she choose? No matter which side she chooses, she will lose, because there's II pairs but no OO pairs. The best she can do is choosing the most left side pieces she can to reduce Isabella's score. Let's take a look at the code. First, get the length of the given string. Define the term. The term will be used to switch the user. True for Isabella, false for Olga. In each term, start by getting the current player and her target letter, I or O. There are 3 possibilities. If there are no valid moves at all, remove the winner and the score. End the game. If there's 1 valid move, remove it and continue the game. If there are 2 valid moves, find if there are pairs. If no, check the pieces left. Odd, then current player wins. Even, then opponent wins. If yes, check if this player closer to the left or right. Then there are 3 more options. If 2 pairs belong to the 2 players, then current player can choose the side with her target letter to force the opponent to lose. If 2 pairs both belong to the current player, then she will win for sure. Choose the closer side will leave more pieces on the board for her. If two pairs both belong to the opponent, then current player will lose for sure. After removing left of the left pairs and the right of the right pairs, the remaining will be added to opponent's score. Time complexity is O(n). Space complexity is also O(n) because of line 8. Because string is immutable. Thank you for watching.